Hello, in this video I'm gonna show you how we can go back or forward in Arc. In order to go back to the previous page, or if you want to go forward and reopen the page that you had opened before, then what you need to do is use these arrows over here at the top. So the left arrow, of course, makes you go back. So if you click on it, then you will return to what you had opened before the current page. And of course, you can use the right arrow in order to go forward. Now, you can also press and hold on these arrows in order to see the history. So if you press and hold it, then you will see the list of all pages that you had opened before that you can, for instance, move forward. So all of these are next if I press the right arrow. And of course, I can release my button on any of these pages in order to quickly skip forward. And the same goes with going back. So if I press and hold, then I can do the same thing. So you need to press and hold it and keep holding it until you decide which page you want to open. So if I release my button over here, then I will go back to the first page. And that's it. Thanks for watching. Leave a like and subscribe to my channel, and see you in my next videos. Bye.